It all eyes now on DMC results and the permutation combinations that are now taking center stage. Uddhav Thackeray, when he was asked who will be the mayor and who gets to be the next mayor of Mumbai, the response he has said is, what can I say? First, let it be decided whether they will allow the 2.5-year rotation for the mayor's position or not. Remember, it's the same 2.5-year combination that was the big bone of contention between the BJP and the UBT Shiv Sena, and that's what he's making a reference to. Uddhav Thackeray is making a reference to. Let's play that soundbite out, and then we get in Sujata Dwivedi for more.
त्यांना भाजपची भीती वाटते कारण ते जाऊ दे आता जास्त काही न बोललेलं बरं कारण ते एकदा फुटलेले लोक कधी फुटू शकतात सगळ्यांच्या संपर्कात असू शकतात.
Sujata Dwivedi, my colleague, joins us live on the broadcast. Sujata, it's the same 2.5-year power sharing formula that Uddhav Thackeray is making a reference to right now.
Well, yes, and while addressing the media, he first reiterated his confidence within the Marathi speaking population in the MMR region, stating that during his tenure as the chief minister back then during COVID, he did not do any sort of discrimination with anybody from any creed or any language speaking population, because of which he has the support of all the communities. Now, when it came to the mayoral post, he stated that this is a topic which will be too early to discuss because the several procedures are yet left, and he stated that it will be interesting to watch whether the rotational 2.5-year rule that has been made within the Mahayuti for the mayor post will be followed or not. He also took a jibe at the BJP, stating that it was the BJP who back then broke his party and then made a person who was earlier with the party the chief minister of the state, which he referenced to, of course, Eknath Shinde, and later stated that this time we'll see that BJP will be breaking Shinde's Shiv Sena and thereafter making a mayor of their own, because we know that Eknath Shinde at this point is currently in the position of the kingmaker, because of which resort politics seem to have begun in Mumbai, where currently all of the corporators, the elected representatives, have been kept at a hotel in Mumbai, where it is also likely that DCM Eknath Shinde will go and meet his representatives. So henceforth, this is going to be an interesting watch, to which Uddhav Thackeray referenced, and thereafter he also stated that he is willing to have a mayor from his own party, but for that he needs the numbers. At present, though we cannot see the numbers being formed in his favor, but in this entire metamorphosis, he's going to ensure and try his best to get the maximum numbers that he can.
That's the whole point, and that's the leverage that Eknath Shinde is really now hoping to extract out of this. Whether he'll be able to is the key question.